Now fellas, just a quick video just to say me and Paul's came to the NEC. We've got a stand here. We've got 4 RS500s in various states, road car. We've got a half restored car. We've got Carl Jones's car. Anything you want to say, mate?
Yeah, we do it every year. We do the classic show and this show. So if you're about over the weekend, come and say hello. We always try and have a mix of different cars you'll have seen on some of Adam's videos. I said the Carl Jones car, we brought that simply because it hasn't been restored yet. So we like to show cars before and after. Got Andy Kirkley's cam car that you'll have seen on numerous videos. That's all painted now, stickered up. We've got an unrestored, absolutely mint, white low mileage 500, belongs to a good friend of mine, Mickey. And we've also got a black car, belongs to Derek. He's had the car from 2 years old, absolutely original, never been touched, never been painted. So if you like them, come along and say hello.
Right. That's mint, that mind as well. Nice that.
Yeah, it's just nice because it's never been touched. Right. Absolutely mint.
Well, yes, let's see if fellas come down, come say hi. See you soon, hopefully.